Hello students. Now after discussing the characteristics of planning, we will discuss the importance or significance of planning. Planning plays a vital role in the smooth running of the management. Planning is an important part in the process of management. As you all know, this is the primary function of management and it contributes a large amount to the success of the organization for the achievement of goals of the organization. Now, first importance of planning is it provides direction. How does planning provide direction? Planning is basically determining in advance what to do, how to do. Then, when we decide in advance how the work is to be done, that means people know what they have to do to achieve the goals of the organization. Under planning, we decide the objectives of the organization. When the objectives are clearly stated, and how to do means you have developed the appropriate course of action also. So planning provides the direction. Planning helps the people to know what steps they have to take to achieve the departmental and organizational goals. It also keeps the departmental and individuals into the coordination. Another importance of planning is it reduces the risk of uncertainty. Here you have to keep one thing in mind. Planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. I am saying planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Planning does not eliminate uncertainty. If we make the plan, that means we are thinking of future situation, future uncertainties that may arise in the future, and we can decide the steps, decide the action which we'll take in that circumstances. So planning helps the manager to anticipate the changes that may arise in the future and to prepare himself to face those changes. But planning does not eliminate uncertainty, it minimizes the risk of uncertainty. Then next is planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. How does planning reduces overlapping of activities? Planning creates the coordination among the departmental goals and the organizational goals. Planning coordinates the activities of different departments as each department has predetermined objectives which are set under the planning. So, planning reduces the useless and redundant activities. There is no confusion and misunderstanding among the people. There is clarity and thought and action. So, planning reduces all the wasteful activities and it does not lead to the situation of overlapping of activities as the activities are determined in advance. Next, the major advantage of planning is it promotes innovative ideas. When the manager makes new plan, they think of new and better ideas. They decide to take something innovative action. They decide to think innovatively. They decided to think to do something new. So planning encourages the manager to be creative and to take new ideas. It guides all future actions leading to the growth and prosperity of the organization. Another major importance of planning is it facilitates decision making. Under planning, we set the targets. We anticipate future events that may arise in the future. So, by keeping the target in mind and by keeping in mind the future circumstances, future conditions, manager can take rational decision. They can decide the best alternative from many alternative actions. Planning establishes standards for controlling. We can say that controlling cannot be done without planning because under controlling we compare the actual performance with the standards and find out deviation. And these standards are set at the time of plan. Standards for comparing actual performance are fixed at the time of planning. So without planning, controlling cannot be done.